Okay, here I have a scary looking log equation for you guys. And right here I just have log with no number here, right? So it's meant to be log base 10. And I'm not going to write that down after this, okay? Just keep that in mind, log base 10. Okay, how do we solve it? Log base 10 of x to the log base 10 of x plus log base 10 of x to the third power and then minus 10 is equal to 0. Well, let's think about it. What properties can we use first? Right here we have x to this power on the inside. Well, we can bring this to the front, right? So firstly, we will have this, which is just log. I'm not going to write down the base 10 anymore. So log of x times the original here, log of x. And we can do the same thing for the second one. Bring the 3 to the front, so that's plus, here let's write down 3 in red as well, make it cool. And then minus 10, it's equal to 0. Do we recognize something? Hopefully we do. Log of x times log of x. This right here is actually just going to be log of x to the second power, right? And then if you look at this right here, that's plus 3, and then another log of x, and then minus 10, that's equal to 0. So in fact, this is just a quadratic equation, but in terms of log of x. Can we factor this? Yes. All we need is the following. Okay, what times 4 give us log of x squared? Of course, log of x times log of x. What times 4 give us negative 10, and together they add up positive 3? Well, 5 and negative 2. So plus 5 here, and then minus 2 here. Now, we know that this has to be 0, or that has to be 0. So solve this, move this to the other side. We get log of x is equal to negative 5. And then to get x by itself, remember, this is log base 10. So we will do 10 to this power and then 10 to this power. And also, let me just make a small remark. The output of a log function could be negative, but not the input. Otherwise, you don't get complex number. You don't get real numbers. So this is okay. This is legit, and you can just cross them out. So the first answer is x is equal to 10 raised to the negative 5. Well, if you would like, you can put that as a decimal. It's just you move the decimal point 5 times to the left. So you get 0.1234 and 1. Let's see. Originally it was like this, right? Just like this. Yeah. And then on the other hand, you have log of x is equal to 2. And then do 10, 10, cancel. And this time you will have 2 zeros after the 1, so you have 100. So two answers, either 0.00001 or the other one is 100. That's it.